Hey guys, Rich Pacini here, YouTube vlog creator. Today, Filmora released the 14.10.5 version. I'm going to show you the update and then we're going to go over some of the features that's coming up. Stick around. Okay, so here we are at the version 14.10.5. It's been released. I just got it today when I opened it up to do this video. Matter of fact, this video is being edited with the new version. All right, so let's check it out. Let's go over it. Here's the new features. 1. Image to video creates smarter and cheaper with reduced VO3 credit use. Enjoy crisp 1080p output ready for your edits and get more creative freedom with the multi-image and reference support. Number 2, AI image upgrade. Access the new Nano Banana model for higher quality and more creative image generation. Number 3, screen recording. Optimize the recording frame now supports cross-screen dragging, making multi-monitor recording more flexible and seamless. Number 4, community connections. Join our official Filmora Discord server from the help menu and connect with the creators worldwide. And number 5, fix bugs and address issues encountered during the user experience. Now that's just the release, that's just the updates. Now let's go look at the features of what it's offering too. Let's check this out right over here. As you can see, let's move this over here. This is the latest updates, like I said again, and you can check it out at your own leisure, okay? If you look over here on this side here, the side panel here, you're gonna see all these different features, what they offer. Look at the bottom. You can pause the video if you choose to do so, but you can see over here it says text to video. I'm just going to read maybe a couple of them. Unleash your creativity with text to video and experience the magic of Filmora AI. Image to video. It says image video now powered by the VO3. Experience a massively enhanced generation results. And like I said, each time you click it on, you can come down here and you read what it's all about. It gives you a little briefing on what each thing does. Here's the AI image stylizer, audio to video, smart short clips, smart screen cut, smart BGM generation, auto reframe, AI mate, multi-camera editing, and there's one more I believe, yep, AI translation. Okay, that's the new feature. Every time they do updates, they're always going to give you this here to check out the new features there. Okay, now let me go over here and I'm going to show you where you can get it. This is their official website over here. This too, however, I clicked this on. It says, surprise, you're invited to earn, share, play, and unlock rewards in this app. I don't know if this is applying to me because I use them exclusively, but in any event, we'll go to this one here. But this is pretty cool, I guess, right? What they have here, get your rewards now. Again, I don't know. I'm not signed in over here because you can see on top it says sign in. I'm not signed in, so this might just be an advertisement for anybody. But I will drop the link to this here, and if you guys are interested in checking it out, like I say in my other videos, you have nothing to lose but everything to gain by making great videos. So try out Filmora 14, and just to share this with you guys really quick, I do not have any affiliate links with them, and nobody from Filmora contacted me to do this video. I'm doing because, like I said again, I use their video editing software exclusively. I love it, and I tell you the truth, I think it's user-friendly, but the way they're going with adding these new features, I won't be surprised someday it's going to be Filmora 14 Pro. I could see it going that direction because the way they keep adding these new bells and whistles and stuff like that, they're making their video editing software become more and more like the higher end softwares. Okay, I'm not going to mention their names, but I think as time goes on, you're going to see that change taking place within the Filmora 14 video editing software. I could see that happening. But anyway, guys, that's all I want to share with you right now. If you like this video or any of my other videos and you get a takeaway from them, which I hope you do, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. And if you want to be updates to when I post out in the videos, please hit that bell notification icon. This is Rich Pacini signing off. Take care and bye-bye for now.